Welcome to Planter Garden TV. How you guys doing today? All right, guys, if you're new to this channel, guys, please hit that subscribe button. If you haven't subscribed before, if you are a subscriber and you didn't hit the bell, please hit that bell, guys, because we have lots of videos coming about gardening. All right, so guys, tonight we're going to talk about seedlings and caring for seedlings. This is another batch of bell pepper I have. I have a bigger batch of bell pepper, but this is a smaller batch that I have, which these are pretty small, but they're getting ready to start pushing. They already have, most of them have 4 leaf and getting ready to push that 6 leaf. So that is pretty good size for me because I love to plant them pretty small. This is pigeon peas. We have like about 6 of these pigeon peas. This is a sorrel. But guys, the thing about it is, with seedlings, seedlings can be very challenging, guys. Very, very challenging. And that's the truth. Because you have to know how to wet these plants. Sometimes, if you over wet them, you have a problem because you can have root rot. My goal, what I do, how I test them sometimes, I might push my hand down in the soil, and if I feel any dampness, I'm not going to wet them. If I feel it's dry, go right down to the bottom, then I'm going to add a little water. Like I wet them a few minutes ago. Because you don't want to create no root rot. You don't want to have the water, the soil too damp. Because we indoors. We're naturally indoors. So you don't want it, they're not getting in sunlight, so the sun is not drying out the water. So you want to make sure you give them a little time to suck that water before you add more water. A lot of these plants really do not like too much water, and sometimes we tend to overwet them, especially when they're small like this. So this is something we got to be very careful of, guys. Very careful. If you want to save your seedlings, watch them, observe them, pay attention. See what they love, see what they don't love. If you see you adding too much water and you seeing a change, when I say a change, you're not seeing progress, then you need to stop adding water. This is a sweet lemon I have here. I have it in this small container. This thing, I wet this thing once a week and I just give it a drain of water. This is the next one here. I now wet it once a week and I just give them a little sip of water. You don't want to overwet them because there's actually seedlings. In this container, we also have pepper, pigeon peas. We have, this is a lemon, sweet watermelon, I think, yes. But at the end of the day, guys, seedlings is very challenging. And I just want you to know, before you wet your seedlings, test the soil. And if you feel any dampness, you don't need to wet them because you indoors, they're not getting that type of heat. Like if they're outdoor. Outdoor, you might have to give them more water because the sun penetrates and the sun gonna dry out the water. So pay attention to your seedling, guys, because it's very hard to set your seedling and they reach this type of size and then you lose them. It don't make no sense. Because as you know, these plants is very expensive. Very, very expensive. So pay attention, guys, and get better at what you do. Happy gardening to each and every one. Don't forget, guys, to like, subscribe, and share.